Welcome back, everybody. So I ventured off the main road, and I'm on another little back road, and this part is just absolutely gorgeous, and I'm going to take it extremely slow just because of the conditions. We should be good though. They've done a remarkable job at clearing the roads, but this is just phenomenal through here. And I hope you like my ride today. I might be a little crazy. Drop a comment below if you think I am. You see that Wemos wrecked? That was dangerous. So I'm gonna let everybody go, and we're gonna get back to the ride. Take it easy, everybody. Welcome back, everybody. Today is January 14th. Yeah, that's what it is, January 14th. It is Monday, and Saturday we had 7 inches of snow. So this is going to be just a super quick little ride. I didn't get out yesterday, and I wanted to, but you know, the conditions were just too bad. Today the streets are perfectly dry, and I can get out and enjoy, you know, a half-hour ride, 45-minute ride. And it's below freezing. When I left the house, it said it was 28, even though the spider is telling me it's much warmer than that. It is not. It is below freezing. So I planned this route to where I knew the roads. I'm going to stay on well-maintained roads like this. I don't think I'm going to get off of this road, to be honest with you, because I do understand the dangers in riding below freezing with a lot of snow on the ground. And it's not on the road, it is on the grass. If it was on the road, my fat butt would be at the house, and I'd be watching YouTube or whatever I would be doing. So I wanted to pick a route that would kind of take me up and over and you know, show how pretty this is. You know, because I really do think that, you know, the first couple days of a snowfall, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's pretty, and the trees are white, and the grass is white, and it's just awesome. And then dogs pee in it, and they scrape and throw crap, and the snow turns gray and nasty and disgusting, and then I don't like it. And I don't like it because it's cold, and I don't like it because I can't ride the Spider. And I'm all about, on days that I can, riding the Spider. But it's absolutely gorgeous out. And this was about the only route that I knew that would take me up and over and look out. You know, and I've been riding a Spider for a long time. I have the gear on, you know, to protect myself. I know what roads I'm going to travel, and they're going to be decent roads like this. I understand that if I come across a wet path or a wet patch, yes, it can be icy. I'm well aware of that. And it's not that I'm a risk taker, or, you know, I've been doing this a while. I'm not going to push my limits. The roads are absolutely perfectly dry. And I'm not doing anything stupid. And I'm not going to go out here and do 85 miles per hour into a turn that I can't see around. You know, this person in front of me is doing the speed limit, sometimes slower, and it's gonna keep me on the slow side. But it is absolutely gorgeous. There we go, the Spider's dropping. It now says it's 33. Ooh. You know, and I have a friend that's always told me, you know, ride in your comfort level. Just because you're with a group of people or you're out by yourself, don't outride your abilities. And I try to take that into heart all the time. That might be a good place to get a little picture. So when we all had motorcycles back at the shop, you know, we had, you know, 5 or 6 of us, and we all went out on a group ride, and our boss at the time, you know, he had a little SV650, and he just took off. Boom, gone. My buddy, and believe it or not, he has a 1975 Honda 360T. T as in Tom, or twin exhaust, I think is what it actually means on the 360. And he chased the guy down and pulled up beside him and was like, dude, you need to slow down, because we got people in the group that were new to riding. Like myself, I was on a very small cruiser, and then my buddy had a CBR 600RR as his first motorcycle. And to be honest with you, at first it was probably a little bit bigger than what he should have got. Whoever had it before him put a different sprocket on it. So man, that thing, I have never been on a motorcycle where the acceleration was just twitchy. I mean, you just roll on a little bit and that thing was ready to go. You know, so it took him a while to get used to that bike, but you know, after a while he was perfectly fine and absolutely loved it, grew into it. But you know, it's important to ride to your abilities and not step out of that. And that includes conditions. You know, I'm really comfortable at riding in all types of weather. If there's snow on the ground, you're probably not going to see me out unless it's just, you know, a very slight dusting. But still, you don't know what's underneath that slight dusting of snow. But it is absolutely a fantastically beautiful day for a great ride. Yes, I understand that these roads are salted, and yes, I understand what that does to my Spider. It's not that I don't love my Spider, it's that I bought my Spider to ride, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to ride it. I'm going to ride it as often as I can. If that means in conditions like this, then so be it. The conditions are going to be like this. If that means it's 80 degrees but raining, you know what? You know, I'm going to get wet. You know, and I'm not saying if you're not comfortable, oh, you got to go out, you got to enjoy, you know. No, I'm not that way. You know, I enjoy my rides, and I'm taking a ride, and I would never ever pressure anybody into doing something that they don't want to do, and I explain the risks every time. You know, if you want to keep your bike, your Spider, in pristine condition, you will not do this. Will not. And then we are going to go into Bremen. It's a tiny little town. And I don't know what you're doing, but that light is green. And they're still sitting there. All right. See? He's riding. So, you know, if you want to keep your motorcycle and your Spider pristine, you will not bring it out when it's salty. You will not bring it out in the rain. I mean, it does more than what you think. But, you know, it comes back to, once again, I bought my Spider to ride, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to ride it. So on that, I'm actually going to look for a place where I can get a picture for Instagram. and I'm going to listen to some music, and I'm going to head home. But, you know, drop a comment below. What should it be today? I'm going to have to think. And it sucks because I just got off work and my brain is mush. You know, I don't want it to be anything to do with snow. Drop a comment below if you think I'm absolutely crazy. How about that? We'll have, we'll see what comes up of it. You know, I'm not going to be on roads that are horrendous. But yeah, drop a comment below if you think I'm nuts. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you in a couple days. And my visor's open and my face is frozen. It is frozen off.